Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video I just wanted to create a quick card and share that with you, and also talk a little bit about how things are and just have a little nice crafty chat while I am creating this cute card using stamps from Maker 40 and Jess Francisco. This one is called Dream World, and I fall in love with this stamp set immediately when I saw it. It was released in the last, I think it's like the last Friday of February. Maker 40 always has their releases Fridays the last week at the month. So really cute stamp set, and I love this little fox. I thought of baby cars when I saw this stamp set, but I actually decided not to go that way today. But I think you definitely can switch out the sentiment and use this for a baby card. I might have to recreate this card and switch out the sentiment and use a baby like sentiment for this one. And I just love this little cute fox. I think he's super adorable, and I use my Copic markers just to color it in, and I am no expert at coloring, you know that by now, so I will not even go down that route and talk about it in this video. So I hope everybody is doing well. I know with COVID and all the restrictions and everything, life has been a little bit upside down for all of us. I can tell you that I am back full time and teaching. I love teaching, and my students have been like sort of on off, like distance learning and full time in school learning. So it has been a little bit of a struggle both for the students and us teachers to balance which days they are at school and which days they are at home. But I think overall everybody has done a fantastic job, and we are trying really hard just to make the situation work. So I know some students are suffering badly because of this, but I hope that the schools will stay open and like everybody can be not home, that they can be on like school after Easter break. So really looking forward to that. And when I am like counting in my calendar, there is not a lot of weeks until we have summer break, so I'm really looking forward to that too. It has been a long and cold and like isolated winter, so I think everybody just are looking forward to being out in the sun, maybe being outside and meeting relatives, like friends and everything. So I know that I am really looking forward to that one too. And yeah, that is pretty much what is going on with me and my life. Everybody in my family are well, and we have not have COVID yet, but we are like being safe and home every time we are sick and taking all like the measures that we are supposed to be doing. But yeah, it's been a hard year for everybody, I think. But I'm really looking forward to some spring and some nice times. So this stencil that I'm using at the moment here is also from Alex Iberia and Jess Francisco and Maker 40, and this one is called In Bloom. Just such a beautiful stencil, and I used it together with my blending brushes from Trinity Stamps, and this one is an ink pad from Concord and Night. I couldn't see the lid here, but I believe it's one of the like lighter blue teal colors. I just love those ink pads. I actually saved up and got them all because I craved them. I also got all of the coordinating cardstock just because I wanted to be able to match my die cutting with my stamping, and I just love inking through stencils like this, so I know I will have a lot of use of them in the future as well. So I know that I said this previously, but I'm really hoping that you are doing well. It would be so fun to get an update on how everything is where you are at the moment. Are you working from home, or are there restrictions like being lighted and that you can go back to work, or what is happening? I am really curious because I think there's a lot of things going on, and we are like in a learning process of how this will work. So here was the sentiment I was talking about. when I'm looking back at it, I was quite sad that I didn't go with a baby sentiment, because I think this had been super cute with that one. But I went with the one wishing you peace and comfort, and I think that also is a super cute one. And I love that one of the words, the peace word, is like highlighted with a scripty font. I think that stands out really beautifully. And I just inked everything up in black Remarkable ink from Maker Forte. And you can see my stars there. It's really looking bad when you see it like this, but when you put the image on top of it, you can see that the stars are like peeking through underneath our focal point here. So I know I didn't talk a lot about the work process here, but that was not the thought of this project. I just wanted to come on and like talk about life in general, and I would really like to have more discussions with you guys that are following my channel, because I think that is like my weak side on this channel, that I am not that personal, and I would like to become a little bit more of that. So this was just a start for me, and I hope that I can create these fast videos and just come on and have a little crafty chat with you guys. And it would be really nice to like talk to you, and if you could leave comments and I could maybe answer them in some way. I don't know if you would be up to that, but that is something I have been thinking about. That could be fun. So anyway, we are just finishing this card with a white gel pen. I also made some pink cheeks here with a Copic marker. I believe it was R20, and also the ears on the bunny. So I found this heart actually on my desk. I cut it out ages ago, and it has been like around my desk for quite some time. So I just popped it up with some fun foam and pressed it down on top of the bunny. Just so cute, and I love that little detail with a glittered pink cardstock. So if you like this project, and if you want to leave any questions, tell me about how you are doing, please do that in the subscription box down below. I am looking forward to hearing from you. Bye!